Caravan introduced a kind of door lock for RV, covering motorhomes. Zinc alloy die casting, long service life. There are two handles, external handle, internal handle. Operate smoothly, no stuck. There are two deadbolts. Now this lock is in an unlocked state. This barrel is control this handle. This barrel is control this deadbolt. Now, let me unlock it. The operation inside door. Engraving leather key. 3-class anti-theft. Three colors: black painting, white painting, polish chrome. Outdoor use with function of waterproof, shockproof, corrosion resistance.